Tired of watching long videos that leave you more confused? In the next few minutes, I'm not just going to talk about making passive income. I'm going to show you step by step how to actually do it using free AI tools and Amazon's affiliate program. Welcome to AI Money Secrets. If you're ready to unlock the power of AI and start making passive income, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss any of the game-changing strategies we share every week. There are thousands of people making real money while they're asleep, walking their dog, or just binge-watching Netflix, all by promoting products they didn't even create. No shipping, no customer support, and guess what? No camera needed, even if you're a complete beginner, even if you've never made a single dollar online. By the end of this video, you'll have your affiliate account set up, AI-written content, ready to go video and graphic posts made, and traffic strategies that work in 2025. You don't need followers. You don't need to show your face. Just follow along, and you could make your first commission this week. Let's get started. Step 1. What is affiliate marketing? With example. First, let's break it down. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product online, and when someone buys it using your special link, you get paid a commission. You don't create the product, you don't ship it, you don't talk to the customer, you just recommend and get paid. And when you use Amazon's affiliate program, you can promote millions of products, from laptops to skincare, books to kitchen gadgets. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to make money online. And here's why. Imagine you recommend a product to a friend. They buy it, and the company pays you a small thank you fee. That's affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. Super simple. You sign up as an affiliate for a brand or website, like Amazon. You get a unique link. This is called your affiliate link. You share that link on your blog, YouTube, Instagram, or any other social media. Someone clicks and buys something through your link. You earn a commission, usually a percentage of the sale. Here's the cool part about the Amazon affiliate program. Let's say you're promoting a keyboard. If someone clicks on your affiliate link, they'll be taken to Amazon. Now, even if they don't end up buying that exact keyboard, you still earn a commission on anything they purchase within the next 24 hours. It could be a laptop, a pair of shoes, or even groceries. As long as they are redirected to Amazon through your affiliate link, you get credit. The commission varies depending on the product category, but the best part is, you're not limited to just one item. You're earning from the entire Amazon store. Let's say you promote a $100 keyboard on Amazon. If someone buys it through your link, you might earn 5% to 10%. So $5 to $10 without doing anything else. Now imagine 100 people buy it. That's $500 to $1,000. And you only had to create that content once. Step 2. How to sign up for Amazon Associates. With tips, let's get you signed up and earning with Amazon's affiliate program, step by step. Step 1. Visit the site. Go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com and click Sign Up. Log in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Step 2. Add your info. Enter your name, address, and phone number. This is where your earnings will be sent, so make sure it's correct. Step 3. Add your website or channel paste, your YouTube, Instagram, blog, or website link. Even if you're just starting, that's totally fine. Step 4. Create your profile. Choose a store ID, select your niche, like fitness, tech, books. Tell Amazon how you'll promote products, like YouTube or social media. Pro tip, be clear and honest. Keep it simple. Step 5. Add payment info. Choose how you want to get paid. Bank, gift card, or check. Fill out the quick tax info. Step 6. Start sharing links. To use SiteStripe link, you just need to log in with your affiliate account credentials. Once you logged into your affiliate account, you will now see the SiteStripe bar at the top of every product page. Use Amazon SiteStripe to grab affiliate links for any product and add them to your YouTube descriptions, blog posts, or social media. Reminder, make 3 sales in 180 days. If you don't, your account gets closed. So start promoting right away. Even small sales count. Use ChatGPT to write product reviews. Use Canva to design visuals. Use Shorts or Reels to share value fast. Pick a niche using ChatGPT plus trend research. Now that you're signed up, the next step is picking your niche. And trust me, this part is super important. Don't try to promote everything. Trying to promote everything on Amazon will confuse your audience and kill your growth. Instead, focus on one specific area that you can build trust and authority in. What's a niche? A niche is a focused topic or category, something people are actively searching for and buying from. Examples of profitable niches: tech gadgets, great for YouTube reviews; home and kitchen tools, perfect for lifestyle creators; fitness and wellness gear, always trending; pet products, huge audience; beauty and skincare, great for Instagram or TikTok. How to pick the right niche for you. Here's a simple 3-question test. Do you enjoy this topic? You don't need to be an expert, just interested. Are people spending money here? Search your topic on Amazon. If it has lots of reviews, it's hot. Can you create helpful content about it? Think. Reviews, comparisons, tutorials, unboxings. Here's how to use ChatGPT to find a profitable niche with low competition. Prompt: give me 15 affiliate marketing niches that are trending in 2025 and have consistent buying demand on Amazon. You'll get niches like home gym setups, smart kitchen gadgets, work from home tools, travel backpacks, baby tech eco-friendly cleaning. Now validate the niche using Google Trends, search volume and interest. Quora, real questions people are asking. Amazon bestsellers in that category. Reddit communities, check if people are passionate about it. Choose a niche that has 1,000 plus monthly searches, has passionate fans and is evergreen. People need it year-round. Step 4. Generate product content with ChatGPT. 5 prompts. Once you've picked your niche, it's time to create compelling product content that not only informs but also encourages your audience to click on your affiliate links. What is product content? Product content is any content you create that features or discusses products you're promoting. This could include product reviews, comparison videos or articles, tutorials and how-to guides, unboxing videos, top 10 list product roundups. The goal is to provide your audience with helpful, engaging content that naturally leads them to purchase via your affiliate links. Let's say your niche is ergonomic office chairs. Find 2 to 3 chairs on Amazon with good ratings. Then use these ChatGPT prompts. Write a 500-word review comparing product A, product B, and product C. Include pros, cons, and which one is best for each type of user. Make this text sound casual and easy to read for beginners. Now summarize it in 5 bullet points for Instagram or Pinterest. Give me 3 titles and hooks for YouTube Shorts video. Suggest 5 viral hashtags for this niche. Pro tip: ChatGPT can even write scripts for TikTok or Reels, like, hey, if you work from home and your back hurts, you need this $79 chair. It's super comfy and I got it from Amazon. Here's the link. Step 5. Turn text into video using Pictory, full tutorial. Once you've generated your product content, it's time to turn that text into video. This is where you can really engage your audience and increase conversions. People love videos because they're dynamic, easy to digest, and highly shareable. Here's how you can convert your product reviews, top 10 lists, and other written content into a polished, professional video. Go to Pictory.ai, click Script to Video. Paste your ChatGPT script. Choose a template, minimal, clean is best. It will auto-generate scenes with stock video clips. Add text, highlights, branding, and a call to action. Options: use AI voices from Pictory, or record your own in Audacity, free software. Add your affiliate link on the end screen or in the video description. Step 6. Create Pinterest plus Instagram graphics. Canva is one of the best tools for non-designers to create professional, eye-catching graphics for social media. With just a few clicks, you can design everything from Pinterest pins to Instagram posts and stories. Let's use Canva to make eye-catching graphics. For Pinterest, go to canva.com and search Pinterest pin. Choose a clean template. Add your product photo, a bold title like Best Budget Office Chair. Insert your review summary. Add your shortened affiliate link. Post 1 to 2 pins a day using keywords and categories. For Instagram, choose Instagram post template. Turn your review into a carousel, slide 1. Hook slide 2 through 4, product features. Slide 5, call to action. Step 7, promote without followers with posting plan. You don't need a large following to promote affiliate products successfully. Here's a quick guide. Leverage high traffic platforms. Use Pinterest, Reddit, and Q&A sites to share valuable search-based content. Create value-driven content. Focus on solving problems with educational posts, product reviews, or how-to guides. Engage in niche communities. Join Facebook groups, Reddit subreddits, and forums to share helpful content and affiliate links. Use Quora and other platforms. Answer relevant questions with detailed answers and include your affiliate links. By consistently posting valuable content and engaging with communities, you can promote affiliate products and generate income. Step 8. Track clicks and optimize performance. Why track clicks? Tracking clicks allows you to see how well your affiliate links are performing. Identify what's working and pinpoint areas for improvement. It helps you understand which content is driving the most traffic, which affiliate products are converting well, where your audience is clicking from, e.g. specific social platforms or blog posts, which links or campaigns need adjustment. Amazon gives you a full dashboard. You now have a full AI-powered system to earn with Amazon affiliate marketing. Free tools, step-by-step content creation, smart traffic strategies, and automation tips to scale. Download the free Affiliate AI Toolkit. Link in the description. Comment your niche below. I'll reply with content ideas. Like if this helped, subscribe to AI Money Secret for more passive income tutorials using AI. See you in the next video.